Welcome to the Getting Started series, Creating a Course. We're going to have a look at a TappnEd course. It is actually a container which contains a few different components. It contains videos, it contains lessons, and as part of the lessons it contains call to actions. Now these call to actions are questions, answers and interactive responses to the answers. So here's an example of a TappnEd course composition. We have video and lessons on our left, and then as part of that lesson we have call to actions, which is composed of questions, answers and interactive responses. So the example is we have a video called Start Excel MP4 which we upload, and then we create a lesson starting a new workbook, and as part of that lesson we create some call to actions. Now the call to actions will have questions, answers and interactive responses. So the question will be, how do you open a new workbook? One of the answers will be click File New, and the other answer will be click File Close. If we choose click File New, we get it correct, and then continuing, so that will be the interactive response on the button. If we click the incorrect answer, which is File Close, then up comes an interactive response, incorrect, try again, which will forward us back through to the original question, how do you open a new workbook? And that'll depend on how many repeats you've set up in the system in order to test them. So there's 6 steps essentially to creating a course. The first step is uploading your video, which is interchangeable with creating the actual course. Create the lesson. As part of the lessons you create the call to actions. Then you create the questions, answers and responses as part of those call to actions, also referred to as CTAs. Then you can create the course. Now if you create the course last or first, it doesn't matter. They're interchangeable. Then you can publish the course. So you can set the price, set the classification, whether it's G, M, R, set the social media sharing options as well. So creating a course, you can do it one of 2 ways. Upload the video, create the lessons, call to actions and the answers first, and then create the course and publish, or create a course and then upload the videos, create the lessons, call to actions and answers, and then you publish. Either way, it doesn't matter. It's just a container that contains all the components. So let's create a course. We've already done the lessons, the call to actions, and we just need to combine them. We're going to create the course, clicking on the courses button, create new course. Course title will be and all we do is we click here to select a lesson. This is the lesson that we've already pre-configured. Click on that, select the lesson, go to next. We've already added this particular lesson, and we can actually edit the lesson from here. All our call to actions are still in here. We can go back to the course. Over here we've got all our information about the course itself, the course holding page URL. We can copy that link and post it to another web page if we want. Right click there, paste that. That'll show you the actual web page. It's currently unpublished, so we're going to go back to the course. Select it first of all as a free course. Okay, so we're not going to put any currency or course price in there. The audience is completely general, it's anyone. Okay, we're going to update our course to record what we've done in it. First of all, we're going to put a course description, update the course, and then we're going to actually publish it now. So we can publish it now, publish it later, save it using the update course, or delete it. So we're going to publish this one. And now our course is published. So if we copy the link, go back to a new tab and paste that link in, that course now will be published. So it'll have the name of the actual company, the trainer, the title. It'll have the first lesson thumbnail, the start button, share button, where you could share it to email, Twitter, Facebook or Google+. It'll have the description of the company, the course description, a little bit of information about the course itself, and the lessons attached to that course. And all we need to do is just start the course and it'll start playing.
Welcome to Starting Off.
Congratulations, you have finished part of the Getting Started series, Creating a Course.